let's show you how to make a very simple yet stunning cocktail using Jamun. So let's get started. All you need is some fresh Jamun, I got mine from a Jamun tree. Some sugar, and some lime. And that's it. In case you're looking at buying some bar tools, you can get yours from Bar X. Delicious Jamun jam. And some fresh nimbu. Himalayan salt or kala namak. Your favorite vodka. Also, don't forget to add ice. Give it a good shake. Nice and chilled. I cannot wait to see what that looks like. And keep some crushed ice ready. About 1 bar spoon of the same Jamun jam. One fresh Jamun. There you go. Enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe.